We're here at the Pearl Factory, and I'm about to buy a couple pearls for Jennifer and I. As you can see, it's a really beautiful jewelry store, and we're going to get documented by Audra, who is going to show us what we've got going on here.
So go ahead and pick out any oyster you want.
Pick out 2 oysters. This one's talking to me.
Yeah, go with your gut.
You know, this thing is like a nightmare trying to get it to work. And we'll just let the tongue find.
There you go.
Okay, that's no. All right, you little. They're fighting me. They're like, no, don't take me. Okay.
All right, now come right over here.
Okay.
You want to bring this in here so you can stand up, or you'll be okay standing.
There we go.
All right, you can sit back right here. All right, so what we're gonna do is our company's from Hawaii, so we're gonna have a little fun with this. So we are going to welcome it into the world Hawaiian style. So I'm gonna have you hold on to this. We're gonna tap. We're gonna do one for each of them.
Okay.
So we're gonna tap on the oyster 3 times. After the 3rd time, we're all gonna say aloha, nice and loud. Okay.
Okay.
All right, you ready? Tap with me. 1, 2, 3.
Aloha.
It's our excuse to make some noises.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, so the oysters take about 1.5 to 2 years to grow each pearl. And they get the color from the mother of pearl. So the most prominent color will be the color of your pearl. Oh, it's a big one. I can feel it right here.
Oh, I can see that too.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, wow.
Very pretty. That is a really, really nice color.
nice
it's like
one,
a
isn't it?
creamy color.
Yeah.
Very, very pretty.
Beautiful. See, that was the one for
All
my
right.
daughter.
Aw. And then this one's for you. You
Okay,
ready?
here
Tap
we go.
with me.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Aloha.
Wake everybody up.
I didn't then. It was sure as heck did now.
Let's
Got
see.
this sucking oysters down like a little.
I've been
salad.
doing it for a while. Ooh, this one has a little cream and pink in it.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that
Very, very pretty. Let me get a close up of those before I clean it
So
up.
we have a cream colored one and a white one. Oh, now that's a tough choice. Well,
So I'm going to clean it with a little bit of salt. And this
Okay.
is a one-time thing, okay? You don't
Yeah.
want to do this again because you could end up scratching your
I was
pearl.
gonna say, scratch it up, doesn't it?
So there's a layer that's on there right now that we want to take out because then the luster will show, which is the shine of the pearl, which is a very important part of pearls. Give it a little bath. Wow, look
Wow,
at the
look at
size
that.
of that.
It's
It's
gorgeous.
beautiful. Throw that away. And then once I put them together, you'll really see the little bit of a pink that's in this one. Ooh, so nice. Both nice sizes too.
Oh,
And this
man.
is just a little water just to rinse it.
Right? Look how gorgeous those
You see
are.
the little bit of pink in this
Wow,
one?
yes.
Very, very pretty.
That is gorgeous.
All right,
You've
now
actually got some really beautiful pieces of
you did really good.
jewelry in here too. And then we have
What I'm gonna get is
pink is for beauty and cream is for happiness.
happiness, and you get it. I'll give you one for each of the pearls.
Oh, beautiful.
So I want you to go ahead and touch the pearls. I like the owner to kind of touch it first. It's very important with pearls to be worn. Your body oil produces luster. So once they come out of the oyster, wearing it is a big portion of keeping a pearl nice and shiny. And just gonna wipe off the glass here a little bit.
Those are gorgeous. I'm quite pleased.
Told you you'd get something
Look at
good.
this with the.
And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you right over on this side if you don't mind.
Okay, everybody, you got to come to the Pearl Factory.
So what I'm going to do is I'll pierce the pearl for you. So piercing it, what that does is makes it a mountable gemstone. I do that as a free service for you. So no matter what you do with a pearl, it needs to have that hole halfway through it. No matter if it's on a ring or a necklace.
Can't be caged.
You can. The only thing with when you do cages, sometimes it can scratch the outer surface of the pearl.
Okay.
The best thing to do is post them.
I'm sorry, little pearl.
Doesn't hurt the value of them at all. It's just making it as
No,
a
I know
valuable
that.
stone. So,
It's a living entity.
so I'm gonna pierce them on the belly button, which I'll show you. It's a big pearl. See the little bump right there?
Yeah, yeah.
That's the belly button. That's where I'm gonna pierce it.
Okay.
And we have a special drill that does it for us.
Okay. And here's more of her jewelry while she's doing that. Don't let anybody walk up with my scooter.
Is your key still in there?
It is. I was going to take it out and I forgot to.
Now, do you think you wear yours more in a necklace?
Yes.
Yellow gold, white gold, or rose gold? What do you wear mostly?
Um,
Oh, I love your rings.
thank you.
Ooh, so
Alexandrite.
beautiful. I love it. Are you a June baby?
My daughter is.
Oh.